Good morning, friends. This is today's trade. It's 7th January 2021. If you see that I have this graph over here, which is Nifty 50, and this is the volatile script which I have selected. Uh, these are the buying side and the selling side. And if you see, Nifty is trying to turn around upwards. So that is why I have gone into buy. I have bought at 422 and kept at selling, which is 423.60. Now, in case Nifty plans to go down, you see that a small red candle coming up there. Now, if this red candle becomes longer and becomes to the height of this green candle, that means it's going to go down. So obviously, I'll close this before my target, which is 423. But even if I close it, it's going to be above the buy, which is 422. All I need is break even of only 0.3% here. Oh, sorry, zero point 0.3 paisa. That's it. That's 30 paisa. So it's 422. I'm already 422.75. So already 0.35 above the break even. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you just saw that I had bought and I had to sell it, but before the Nifty goes up, it decided to go down. So what I did was sell it at a profit of not the full profit but little profit, and then I sold it once again because Nifty has started going down. So obviously the script also will go down. So I have sold at 422.50, kept it buy for 420.90, and it's somewhere here. So when this figure reaches here, I get a profit of about 6%. Okay. Okay, so as Nifty was going down, I had sold, and see this script has fallen like this. So I could buy it at 420.90, which gave me a profit of straight away 5%. Now if you see what I've been doing since morning, it's 10:14 now. It's 10:14, and what I've been doing is, if I have 245 in my wallet, I have already done 24. So that's exactly 10% already. Just in one trade and one and a half. The earlier one, which I had reduced my profit. So I have now kept a new sale. Why? Because as Nifty is going down, this also will reverse halfway the earlier candle, which is somewhere around here. So if you see, it's about 426, halfway of the red candle, of this red candle, halfway approximately. So I've kept sell at 421.60. So this should reverse till halfway, and then it stop dropping. Why? Because Nifty is dropping gradually. Okay, let's see if I'm able to get this sell at 421.6. Okay, you just saw that I kept at selling price of 421.60, but I had to slightly correct it, so I kept it at 421.50, and I could sell it somewhere around here. And now it's started going down, which is what we want. Why? Because Nifty is going down gradually. So this also will go down. Now I've kept buy at 419.90. So let's see. Okay, we are waiting for the buy, the drop to 419.9. So this is 419. This is a drop side, 419.9. This has to start consuming this quantity, and this will go up here, and then our trade is complete, which again gives us 5%. If you see, Nifty is dropping gradually, stepwise, so this is fine. In case it drops fast here like this, then chances are it will reverse. Mostly it reverses. But if it's going slowly, gradually down, that means the script also will go down. So we keep on selling and buying, selling first and buying next. Every time you get 5%. Mostly this goes till about 11:30. then it reverses. At this moment it's 10:30 only, so everything is in order. And this window over here I have already kept ready for sell after I get this 419.90, which is just very near. After this 4500, 3700 gets consumed. That's a quantity. See, 419. Okay, got it. I'll keep the second one ready now. I've kept sell at 420.45, which is halfway of the candle. For 20.20. Okay. Now at this juncture we are at a very tricky situation. I have sold at 420.20 and I've got buy at 418.60, somewhere here down. But if you see the Nifty, it came down and then it has gone slightly up. Now chances are that this can go up, but then this can also go down. Now what we see is, if it has to go down, then this buy side, downside, the quantities should be less so that they consume fast and it goes down. And this side, sell side, it should be higher, big quantities. If you see the shaded parts, see, all these are shaded, the bigger, like 3500. So the whole thing is shaded. The shaded things tell us that the quantities are bigger here. That means it will not go up. If the quantities are bigger here, it takes time to consume those quantities. So chances are this will go down. But this is a tricky situation because, as I said, Nifty can start going up, and then if it starts going up, then I should immediately cut it off here without waiting for the full profit. Anyway, at this moment we are break even. 420.20 I sold, and buy also is same. If this goes down, I get profit. If it starts going up, then I stop. I cut the trade here. So as I said, very tricky position at this moment. Okay. Okay, remember I told you chances are that this is a tricky situation, going to go upwards from here. So if you see this green candle, it started going up. See the script also, it's going up. Now I had bought it at 420.05 and it's 420.45 already. Kept it at 421.65. It's 45.50, 55.65. So this has to go up all the way here, so that I get my 5% of this particular trade. So if you see, Nifty gives you an idea of how your intraday should work. People say intraday is gambling, they are not able to earn and all those things. I don't think it's correct. The technical thing is very clear. It tells you what kind of surfing you have to do as the prices, as the Nifty rolls and rocks or goes sideways throughout the day. So accordingly you go on trading, buying, selling, or selling, buying, whatever suits, or cut off if you feel there's a change in the trend. I think if I was just calculating, so if you have, let's say, a very small amount of now this is a very odd number, 433 rupees in your account today, just 433 rupees, and if you do intraday of only 5% ROI, return on investment on 433, 5% per day. So in 1 year you would be compounding your ROI and getting in your account 5 crore rupees. In 1 year you can just retire your career. It is that good. But some people still do not understand that the technical advantages. Technical trading has an advantage that you can see your result just in that 1 day, today only. You don't have to wait for 6 months or 3 months for a swing, or investing for, let's say, 3 years or 4 years. Today only you will know how you are performing. That's a great thing. Okay. So I just told you that this was a sales first trend. Sales first and buy next. So the trade is complete, and each trade you get 5% net, that is after giving brokerages and taxes. So so we did some 2-3 trades in this area, and the script was coming down like this. Now, as I said, it's going up, so I'm ready for the up one. I had bought and I kept at 421.65, which is somewhere here. This should go up so that my trade is complete. Once this is complete, I'm ready with my second trade over here. It's again, once this completes, I'm going to put this again for buy, because now this has to do the buying for me. Actually, the trend is always something like small here, little smaller than the earlier one, and then it goes wide, something of that sort. So the last bend is always the bigger one. It has mostly about 1% or 1.5% to 2% of the share price. So that's a big profit. So let's see how the day goes. Okay, now there's a situation here. The trend was coming down, and we had seen it started going up, but then suddenly we see that it has decided again to go downwards only, and so the script also is going down instead of up. But I don't see any problem here, so I will wait. Why I don't see any problem? Because normally when the script goes down, it is always one candle below another, and the third goes still down. But in this case, it's sideways. So mostly when the trend changes, it goes sideways first and then it changes upwards. So we'll wait here and do not panic, do not fear, just stay calm, even though it's giving me loss at this moment, but I'm sure it will go up. Okay. Okay, so if you remember, about 1.5 hours back, I told you the trend changes around 11:25. So it's 11:20 now, and 421.65 is where I need the trade to sell. So we are here. This is slowly going up till here when the trade closes, and I get 5% again on this trade. So everything going well, as we can see. You see the trend also going up here, script also going up. It gave a lot of fears here when it started planning to go down, but as I said, it's only fooling us. Now after this trade, one big new kind of a thing will happen. It happens daily. So what happens is, you are aware, a lot of investors, FIRs, LICs, they invest in this. A lot of techies, a lot of algo programmers, and a lot of gamblers. So what they do is, they put a big buy quantity here and a sell quantity here. So the script starts going sideways in between those two big quantities, and the quantities keep updating as the movement gets consumed. So let's say 20,000 volumes at buy, 30,000 at sell. So this goes on revising. They keep on revising it. So what happens? The prices go sideways. Now one doesn't know whether it will go up or down. So that trick I will tell you as we reach there in another 1.5 hours time. So hang on.